it is important I make this video for friends who love Noilers. So for people who choose Noiler as their number one breed, for people who actually like Noiler specifically, for people who love that breed, for people who want to test it, for people who want to go into it, who want to make it as part of their poultry business. So I want to make this clear to you. Noiler have two breed. Currently in Nigeria, we have there is two breed of Noiler in Nigeria. We have the one that is original, that is made from the Amobink. That one is pure breed. So, and we have the one that is other way around. It is made outside the archery. So Noiler, currently we have two breed of Noiler in Nigeria. One of my subscribers said, "Sir, I got a Noiler and they are about how many months? I've forgotten the date, their age rather." So he told me they are tall, but they don't have weight. So I asked the person, "Are you sure you get the right breed?" Now, one of my subscribers too asked me to get him Noiler. Currently, I don't have at hand, so I asked one of my friends so I can get from one of my friends. So the person now told me, I told the person rather, "Do you have Noiler?" He said yes. Then I have to ask, "Do you have? Is it pure breed?" Then the person said, "Absolutely, they are not pure breed, but they are Noiler too." I said, "Of course I know, but I don't need that for now." So if people want to supply you Noiler, if you get a supplier, if they want to supply you Noiler, or you want to get a Noiler yourself, if you are not going to the hatchery to get the Noiler, please get it from the right source. Let the supplier, let it supply you a pure breed. If you want to know a pure breed Noiler, you will know exotic things. You will know if something is exotic. You will know they will have this kind of fat, and they will have all this beautiful. Their skin will be beautiful. Their feather will be beautiful. You will see their beak very clean, and you will see their legs. It will have a kind of there will be a kind of fat on it. Like it will appear like they will get big. So that is how to know Noiler. But if you want to know the other Noiler, you will see their legs will be tiny. They will just be like this local chicken. So even if you started rearing, then you will know that no, all these birds are not pure breed. So they are pure breed of Noiler. If you are not getting your Noiler from Amobik Siberia Archery, then you should try to get it from a very good source so that you don't get the fake one. So Noiler have two breeds. So that is what I want you to know in this very short video. And I'm very sure you would have gotten one or two things from this video, no matter how short it is. So please get your Noiler from a very good source. Don't forget, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified when next we drop a new content like this for you. We promise you, in Addota Farm, we will not give you fake or mislead you anyway. So just keep on subscribing. We love that. We appreciate all our subscribers. We promise we will give you all the best that we have, and we will give you the right answer whenever time you ask your question.